Did you know that Excel is celebrating its 40th birthday this year? It's a particularly cool birthday since 40 in Roman numerals is XL. I'm going to talk about two of my favorite Excel features, VBA and charting. My name is John Peltier, and I'm celebrating my 25th year as a most valuable professional. My company, Peltier Technical Services, does custom Excel work for clients. It sells VBA-powered add-ins that help people use Excel more effectively, and it provides training in charting, VBA, and other Excel technologies. VBA is a version of Visual Basic that is built right into Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Excel has a VBA macro recorder that will record the VBA steps of actions that you take manually. There is a VBA editor where you can edit these macros and write your own VBA procedures. VBA can automate repeated tasks. Such automation increases consistency, reduces errors, speeds up processes, and reduces tedium. Excel can make many kinds of chart, but you may need a chart that Excel doesn't offer. You can construct such a chart yourself, but it may take several steps, such as rearranging data, inserting a chart, and applying custom formatting to the chart elements. For example, you may use a standard column chart to plot data, but a specialized chart called a Pareto diagram may be better. The data for a Pareto diagram must be adjusted. It is sorted from high to low. If there is a category for other, this must be the last category, even if it is not the smallest. And a cumulative count of the categories must be calculated. The sorted data is plotted as a column chart series. The other category is formatted differently, and the cumulative total is plotted as a line with markers. This entire process would take a savvy user 10 or 15 minutes, but VBA can do it in the time it takes to click a button. VBA can also be used to manipulate existing charts. For example, you can change links to source data. You can apply uniform size and formatting to multiple charts in one step, not tediously chart by chart. You can align charts to fit nicely into a report. You can embellish formatting of several charts at once. Here are some charts for a dashboard I'm creating. The charts are different sizes and placed at random positions on the worksheet. I can use simple VBA procedures to make the charts all the same size, align the charts in a row, and apply neater data labels. Join us in celebrating Excel's 40th birthday on September 30th.